Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about the this pointer. This is a pointer to the current object instance and it points to the object calling the member function. So if you are not able to understand this statement, in a bit I will show you the demonstration. Let us start by copying the existing project and I will paste it over here. Rename it to this pointer. Close the existing project. Come over to delete the files, and in the source main.cpp, here I have older code. I will just do a cleanup, and I will remove this as well, this function as well. So let us start by creating a class called as sensor. In this sensor we have int data, that is private, and we have the public functions and constructor. So first let us define a constructor. For that we will use sensor, and that would take our data. So I will not make it a parameterized constructor, and I will pass the data, and I will do a data initializer. Okay, so this is how data is initialized. And see, like, now we have like so here we have the data, and what we can do here is we want to assign. Okay, I have given here the initializer over here. So what we do is to set the data, we assign the data to data, but the compiler, to let the compiler know which data is this one and which is our private member. So to uh, detect that, we use the this pointer, so that the instance of object instance is known. So this points to the data, and that will be and this is the data that we are passing into our sensor constructor. Similarly, if we have got our getters and setters, int getter, and first let us write the setter, void setter, and the data I will again put it as it is. And now again, if I want to initialize the data in our that is the private member, so we can do it like this. Earlier what we used to do is we used to keep it like d. Okay, so it is the same thing. Okay, and here what we can do is return this points to data, although this is a hidden pointer, but we can use it when we do a bigger project and we have the variable name as the same, what is in the parameter, and what is in the same name is given in the given as our member variable. Okay, so there are other uses of this pointer also, but for simplicity, I am showing this example. Let us create a sensor object. Okay, so I will create an object sensor, and I will pass the value 55. Okay, and if I want to print the statement, I will use printf sensor value is, okay, percentage d comma. Okay, I've give gets, okay, get data and set data. I will rename it. And here what I can do here is I can object sensor points to sorry, not, it is not a dynamic, so we can get the data over here. Okay, and I will build this project, start our Terra, connect to our serial com port, and I will flash the application. Select OK. Let us come over here. Okay. So let me clear the buffer and I will press the reset button. So you can see that the sensor value that I have passed in the object constructor, that is 55, and that is what we are getting. And similarly, if I want to set the sensor value using sensor, sorry, that is the object created, object sensor. And if I want to set the data, I will do the set data, and here what I will pass is like 45. Okay, and again I can do a print statement, and here also I will create a new line and carry as return. Just build the file, run the application, open our Teraterm. Okay, so let me clear the buffer and press the reset button. So here you can see that sensor value is changed from 55 to 45. So hope you understood the concept of this pointer, how this is pointing to the instance of the object. Okay, so it is the current instance of the object, not just instance of the object. Thank you very much.